This is a new 2015 Ford Expedition. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, internet connectivity, electric trunk, push-button start, leather seats, heated seats, power folding mirrors, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Ravenel Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 6340 Savannah Highway, Ravenel, South Carolina 29470.